All right, we are here at the lovely Monterey Peninsula Country Club. Probably the best golf club facility on the planet. I mean, it's got 36 holes, a driving range that's on the water. We're on the Dunes course. This is the 14th hole Dunes course, playing 175 middle. Is that right?
Yeah, 175 middle.
175 to the middle of the green. We're in the middle of the ocean, basically, Pacific Ocean. For those of you that are geographically challenged, look at this place. I mean, the bunkering, the views. I even kind of maybe like the holes that are back in the trees on the Dunes course even more than the ocean holes. The beauty is when you are back in the trees, you know, I've been known to have to go to the restroom on the course. I got dude wipes on the go, baby. Look at those puppies. They'll clean you right up. Also use their face wipes for after a round. Get that sunscreen off your face. Get all that sweat out of there and clean yourself right up. Or do the shower. You can take basically a shower before you go to the 19th hole. Dudeproducts.com. I've got a 6-iron. I think it's about a 175 shot. I mean, look at this. Who cares where the ball goes? Look at this place. I'm just kidding. I care a lot because this is a video. Really want people to be impressed. So here we go. Oh! One hopped into the left bunker. Oh, that's a good swing too. Oh, that hurts. Look at this look at this logo. You ever seen a better logo than this MPCC logo? Is that a dragon? A dragon? Unbelievable sweater, by the way. Unreal. All right, Frankie's up. Frankie's having a little debate with himself about what club to hit.
No idea what to hit, mainly because number one, I stink at golf, and number two, this hole is the most intimidating thing I've ever stepped in front of. I'm taking a 6. He said to play at like 180, 185. I don't know. I haven't hit a pure shot all day, so we'll see what happens here, but I'm just hoping to just be dry. Just be dry.
We'll fall into the fucking ocean over here. Look at that stuff. That is at the middle of the green, drawing towards the right center.
Oh!
Great shot.
What a shot.
Wow.
I am so happy with that. I can't believe that that's recorded. I have that for the rest of my life. What a result. Over the bunker, I have like a probably 25, 30 foot putt. We're rolling. Love it. What a golf course.
Great shot, right?
Thank you.
Wow. I gotta say, significantly better weather this time than the last time, kid.
Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take this a little bit better. A little bit better.
A little better.
Hopefully the tee shot's a little bit better because I ended up on the range last time. So far. Windy? A little windy with the back range factor, so that it comes out. Yeah. All right. Oh, that's gonna play nice. Just like that. Just a bit textbook.
Okay, so a little greenside bunker shot here. I will say I was having a case of the blades out of the bunker, but I got a lesson from Kevin Chappell. He's hitting about 1 inch behind it. He just got up and down out of the last bunker for birdie. Not to brag. I feel pretty good about that. Came in a little hot. I will say it was on a little more of a downslope than I thought when I got in there. So that's not the worst shot in the world. Got to get up and down from there.
Great chip.
I mean, look at this place. You get these waves crashing. Just hearing kind of the roar of the ocean while you're putting out. Look at this seagull. Seagulls are, we call them aerial rats. Trying to steal our food all day long, but anyway. Look at that noise. That is piercing. Do you hear that noise? Oh my God. That's a bogey. We'll take that. Not bad on this hole. Really, it's all about the views. Who cares what you shoot? What a spot. And if you were panicked, worry about something. Clean yourself right up with dude wipes.
All right, so I have this for birdie on probably the nicest hole I've ever played in my life. I think it's going to significantly move right to left. I've been absolutely horrendous on my speeds. I used to have the chipping yips, then Kevin Kisner gave me a little tip on how to hit my chips. So they're starting to come back, but now I just don't know how to putt. So it's always something. We'll see. Oh. Not high enough, Frank. Not the worst speed in the world. Pretty bad. Just not high enough. I said significant, and it didn't do it. There's a lot of work here. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's never easy, folks. This would be a bad 4.
That's good, Frankie. I can't watch you 3-jack like this.
I'm knocking it in.
Wow. Denies it. Insane.
All right, that's a bogey. It's a 3-putt. It's a 3-jack. It's just what I do. I'm just Frankie short games, man. I have no short game whatsoever. But what a golf hole. What a golf course. Dude wipes. Thanks for making it happen.